after a strong earthquake of magnitude 7.2 hit Morocco on Friday night. The death toll is expected to rise significantly as we speak. While the epicenter of the earthquake is recorded to be in the high mountains, an area some 75 kilometers away from Marrakesh, which is the fourth largest city in the country. As you can see, the buildings and walls across the country buckled under the force of the quake. While some videos showed clouds of dust and piles of rubble, others captured flustered residents running out on the streets. However, the full extent of devastation is yet to be known. As per the authorities, an earthquake of this magnitude has not been recorded in the country in over 120 years. And the officials are now concerned about the aftershocks of the tremors. Many people have in fact moved to the streets of the cities. Other than this, among the structures crumbled by the earthquake is a red wall, which is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site.